Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful, website for jewelries. So you see how nice this website looks. And the good thing is that I actually use AI to do all of this. You don't have to do anything complex at all, no complicated setup. AI will do everything for you. All right, all you just have to do is just to type the prompt in, and AI will do the heavy lifting. And the AI website we are using is called Turbo Logo. All right, so I'll leave the link down below in the video description so that you can use it to get started for free. I'm telling you, this literally took me, 3 minutes to create. Right, so I'm going to show you step by step now how you can do this so that you can also have your own beautiful website like this. So let's get started. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on create a website. All right, so bring your vision to life with the website builder that gives you tools you need to succeed. So it's trusted by over 500,000 users. So I'm just going to click on create, and then here I'll enter my email or password to create an account, or you can actually go through your Gmail straight. All right, so we are logged in. It says describe your idea, build a website in seconds with AI, prompt, edit, and launch your site. So you can actually ask AI to help you to write this, and then from there you are going to click on create. So we have portfolio for designer, clothing and accessory brands, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to paste my prompt here. You can actually ask the AI to write it for you. Just tell it exactly what you want. You write it there, put what you want there, and then you ask it to write it. So I said create a complete professional modern website for a jewelry business called Luxy Gems Jewelry. This should be a real business website, not just a landing page or a visual mock-up. Build the entire website with polished premium design suitable for a real jewelry. So just take your time to read about it, describe exactly what you want, and then after that you're going to click on create website. Can I say, tell us a bit about your company, what you do, what services or products you offer, plus your contact details, phone number, emails. For example, a ceramic studio, so you just tell them what you do. So I'm just going to tell it about my business. So you have to tell the AI everything. All right. Luxy Gems Jewelry is a modern luxury jewelry store offering beautiful, high quality jewelry for everyday wear, special occasions, engagements, and so on and so forth. Our goal is to make luxury jewelry accessible while providing excellent customer service, secure shopping, and fast, and so on and so forth. Just tell it exactly what you want it to do. All right. So then after that, you just put your email there. You put your email here. So this one is just like an example. Just like that's just like it's not really an email. So I'm just going to click on create. So let's watch the AI do the magic. Now you see how nice this whole thing looks. Look at how this AI says designing the perfect site structure. This is the power of Turbo Logo AI website builder. It does literally everything for you. Look at the way it's polishing the whole thing, choosing colors, fonts. Okay, first of all, look at how nice this whole stuff looks. They say unveil your inner radiance, timeless elegance for your most cherished moments. All right, you see what it has given us. It's giving us like almost everything that we need, the pricing and everything, but you are the one that's going to do the editing, and so on and so forth. So the AI has literally done almost everything for us. Here we have the headline, and so on. You can just click on, of course, you have to do some editing. So you can just click on the headline, to see, okay, this is the headline. And then we also have the heading. So you choose, this is exactly how the fonts are. Then you're going to click on, you can also click to view all, and then you can also choose a color palette. So I'm going to click on continue. Now, in order to do this, then you have to connect your domain also. All right, give your site a more professional look with your own domain. So that's it. Or continue editing your style, add new block, change site colors, change fonts, go to editing. All right, if you want to use if you want to connect your domain, you can just click here to connect your domain, because it's very important. You can put the domain keyword here. All right, or you can also buy a domain if you don't have. Apply for the Site Pro tariff for a year and get a domain for your site for free. Create a website and immediately go online with a beautiful address. So you can decide to just click on get a domain. If you just want to do that, just click on get a domain. Okay, so I actually went back. All right, so we are here. You can just move around, check how it looks. Okay, so look at how nice the website looks. Look at how beautiful everything looks, so clean, professional, and it's so great. And if you want to start editing, it's very easy. If you want to edit, okay, you can click on this icon where it says preview. If you want to edit some things, maybe there are some things you don't like about the website, and then you just click on edit site, and then you'll be able to do all of the editing. Anything that you want to change, you can always do that. All right, so you see, if you don't want this, you can always type or remove this. If you don't like this text, you change the text, anything you don't want at all. And when you click on it, this is where you will be able to do all of the bolding, a lot of things, so on and so forth. Okay, we also have some of them here. Here, if you want to edit this, you just come down to what we have here. You can use AI to generate image, or you click on replace image, and when you click on replace, it's going to take you to where you upload your images. Like we have the Unsplash uploaded image. If you have your own images, you just go there and then you do everything from there. So you see how nice this whole thing. If you want to change this, you just click on this, and then you can decide to change whatever you want to change from there. You can do this with URL. You can also open a new tab, a whole lot you can do with this. And then you can also change let's say you don't want this, you can decide to remove that if you don't want that. Let's assume you just want 250. So you see we have 250 there already. So there's a whole lot you can do with on this particular website. Everything, you check it out before you decide to publish. Okay, and after that you're going to click on publish. All right, so that, and you can also check from your mobile to see how it's going to appear on your mobile, on your phone. So this is how people will see it on phone. You see how nice and good looking this website is. Professional website.